do. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Zena, for those of you who don't know and are new to this channel. So today what I'm going to show you guys is how to get this look. It doesn't take too long, maybe about 45 minutes. The lashes honestly took me the longest time to do. So let's see how I did this. Using Morphe and Java Brown Cream. And this is the shade that it's in.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Where's my phone? Oh, it's right next to me. I always forget. This is the e.l.f. powder. It's in corrective yellow. This is what it looks like. It's just yellow powder. Always have to get the hair out of the way because if not, all my little baby hairs are everywhere. I usually put a little headband. You know what? Here's my headpiece. There's Velcro on the end. I got this a while back from Walmart. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it was Target. Usually only use this when I have a mask on or something. There we go. So now that my hair is out of the way, I'm gonna use this foundation stick. It's in color Bisque B45. So this is the shade that it's in. Twist out. And then I'm just gonna apply. Use my kabuki brush, blend it out. As you can see, the foundation just glides right on. The powder kind of already set the primer into place and it makes it very smooth base. Always blend out underneath your chin to your neck. You're not 3 different shades. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I use this under my eyes just to get rid of my dark circles. I normally use sand, and then this one is just a neutralizer. So I'll spread that there, then the middle, chin, and then I'll get my Morphe brush and blend that in. I'm gonna just use the same brush, take some of that e.l.f. correcting powder and just set that. And take my contour brush. This is from NYX Professional thing. I don't even know what it is, but it's a contour and blush and bronzer. I'll use this color. Yes, it's a lot darker than my actual skin tone, so it actually shows up because once you blend it out, you won't actually be able to tell. And there's the blush on the other side. I don't really want anything shiny right now, just because I'm going for a matte look. I don't need all of that. This little guy. And then I'll take my blending brush. Looks like I have a nose bridge. With my lips, I think I'm just gonna keep them like this. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip gloss on them. Oh, what I used was Estee Lauder. I didn't think that I was gonna like the color, but because it does have a little bit of tint, it's like a nude color, and I absolutely love this. So what I'm gonna use today is probably the NARS Shadow. This one is in the color Rome, and this one is in the color Ashes to Ashes. This is like a pearl purple, and then this one's more so an ashy tone. So I'm gonna mix both of them together, along with probably the What's the Tea eyeshadow. Here's what that looks like. This is called The Rundown from the Balm Cosmetics, and I honestly really like this. It's very pigmented and works pretty well. Also, there's this really pretty purple from Suva Beauty, S-U-V-A Beauty. This is really funny. It's called Barbecue. Why it's called Barbecue, I'm not really sure. The brush I'm going to be using, probably a little smaller one. I know this is the smudging brush, but it's pretty precise. I'm going to start off with Suva Purple. I always line only half my eye so I don't look like I have panda eyes by the end of doing makeup. You can see it's pretty pigmented. And then I'll use this darker purple from the Balm. I'll put that on the outer corner of my eye. what I'm gonna do now is use my precision brush, so it's actually really tiny. You can see that. I'm gonna use NARS Rum and do the inner corner. Now I'm gonna use this one. It's a little brush. Don't know where it's from. Oh, just kidding. It's from NYX. Oh, I'm also this one right here. This is from Makeup Works Matte Perfection Nude Eyeshadow Palette. Now that there is a base, I'm gonna use this purple again. I'm gonna put that on the top lid, outer corner. Same thing with this eye. I'm like tearing up doing this. Allergy season. I'm gonna wipe the color off the brush, blend it out a little. Okay, now we use the darker one, the rundown. I'm gonna use Ashes to Ashes from NARS. Because it's a lighter color, I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. I'm gonna use Rome from NARS, so they're closer to the inner corner in the middle of my eye. Okay, and that is the look. Nope, actually, just kidding. I always forget the lashes. One of the most important parts, and I always forget about it.
Bruh.
This is the package. This is what it looks like, and those are the lashes. So this is a lash glue from Kiss. Works really well. Love this one. Doesn't have any formaldehyde in it. Has aloe in it, and it's black, so it'll blend right in with my lash line. So I'm just gonna I'll fix it later. It's fine. Because I have mascara on already, it's kind of making it harder for it to naturally lay with them. Now I'm gonna attempt to put this one on. Okay, so all I have to do is put some eyeliner on. Also, this is the greatest freaking eyeliner I've ever had in my life. It's, I think, from Misha. I had to order it from, I think, Amazon. It was like $14 or something, but dude, this stuff stays all day. I have oily lids, so this stuff is amazing. I'm just gonna put this on the inner corners of my eye. Make it blend in with the lash. And then outer corner. I can take this off now, and this is my finished look. I'm gonna put my hair because I'm gonna get that volume. Now what do I do? So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, what kind of looks you would want me to do or try. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.